Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Bank of India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Bank of India with a price target of Rs 165. Bank reported healthy business momentum in Q4. Gross advances grew by 14% year-on-year and 4% quarter-on-quarter. Total deposit grew by 10% year-on-year and 4% quarter-on-quarter. Healthy loan growth outlook and lower credit cost driven by strong asset quality is likely to help sustain ROA closer to 1% in near to medium term despite margin headwinds. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 0.9 times its FY25 and 0.8 times FY26 adjusted book value estimates. Valuation are attractive. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. Next, we cover Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Chola Finance with a price target of Rs 1425. Company reported healthy business momentum in Q4. AUM grew by 35% year-on-year while 8% quarter-on-quarter. Disbursement during the quarter were up by 17% year-on-year and 10% quarter-on-quarter. We are confident about the longevity of the franchise, best-in-class management in terms of execution capabilities and asset quality. The company is likely to deliver consistent sustainable ROE of 18 to 20% over the medium term. Current market price, the stock trades at 4.2 times its FY24 and 3.4 times its FY25 adjusted book value estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 1 year.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.